It's Jay with Chinook Services, video number 2. This is the after the soft wash, pressure wash. We hit this building with a low pressure, got all the green stuff off it. Now we're gonna water fed pull all these windows and do a little touch up. And this building was completely clean without even a lift. And there's Jim up there. And we're just wrapping up right now. So this building did have these window dividers that were complicated to clean and a lot of algae and moss on them. So we had to clean those, and the ledges around had that. But it's a stucco type building, and then most of it's glass though, with those dividers. And that drip flashing up there was really dirty. It was all caked in green. All that drip edge all the way was. So there's a little bit of painting needed. You can see some rust lines and some fading on this paint on the front. It just needs a fresh coat of some elastomeric paint. This area gets a lot of sunshine on the front here. With that said, give us a call if you're interested in any type of services like this, and I'll walk around and show you the rest of the building here. There's our information right there, 290-8635. Here's the rest of the building. See, it's pretty large. That's our rig we've been using. It's got a 10-gallon a minute machine in it, full soft wash.